Well, hey there. Welcome to my art channel, Draw, Paint, Repeat. I'm going to make a wild guess here that you're on a journey to become a better artist.
Of course they are, dummy. What do you think they're here for?
Be quiet. Are you ready to take your representational art to the next level? Then this channel is your channel. My name is Steve Atkinson, and I've made my living as an artist for the last 35 years now. Along the way, I've gone to art school, I've been an illustrator and a fine artist represented in galleries throughout the United States. And I've taught art. So I've learned a few things about creating art and how to make a living at it. Now I've decided that it's time to pay it forward and teach you what I know. This channel is where I've chosen to do that. Every week, I'll upload a new tutorial explaining my process in a simple and easy to understand way. I talk about why I'm doing what I'm doing while I'm doing it. It might be a drawing video, because if you're a representational artist, there's nothing more important than being able to draw. It might be an oil painting video, or a watercolor gouache video, or a video where I'm painting outdoors. But even if you don't work in one of these mediums, learning a different way of thinking will only help you in your artistic journey. And who knows, it might even inspire you to try something new. Along the way, I'll keep it fun by being joined by some of my friends. Yeah, we goof around sometimes, but don't be fooled. Our main focus is always to inform and make you the best artist you can be. So if this sounds good to you and you're ready to improve or even turn your hobby into a career all while having fun, then you should not only subscribe, but hit that notification bell to know when I upload a new video. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and as always, I'll see you down the road.
Oh, wait, you didn't introduce me to your friends. Hello there. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am... hello? Would you please turn this music down? Nobody wants to hear this music. They want to know about me. Oh, that's better. Yeah. What?